Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Ivan. I'm a digital marketer. I've been working digital marketing for the last 7 years, specialized in SEO. And today I'm going to explain to you guys what SEO is, why it's important, and how to do SEO for your business. So the number one thing is, what is SEO? SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it's the strategies and tactics that marketers and businesses use to rank on Google and other search engines. So, why is SEO important? It's important because if you're not ranking on Google, you're missing out on new customers and opportunities when customers are trying to search for your business or services. For example, if a customer is looking for concrete contractors in Yuba City, businesses that rank in the local map pack and the organic search results are the one getting most of the leads and business. Same goes for if a customer is searching for tree services in Yuba City. Businesses ranking in the local map pack and in the organic search results are generating most of the leads and clicks. So, how do you get your website to rank on Google? There are three buckets of SEO: technical SEO, on page SEO, and off page SEO. Technical SEO basically is making sure your website has no technical issues and has a strong foundation. This just ensuring that Google crawlers can crawl your website. It's easy to be discoverable. You don't have a bunch of server errors or a bunch of 404 pages. So that's technical SEO. On-page SEO is the structure of your web pages, so making sure your headings are correct, you have the optimal content, targeting the correct keywords, creating the correct type of pages. And then finally, off-page SEO, this is just getting a lot of links pointing back to your website that builds authority, also PR, so making sure your website it's also visible like on other social media platforms. These all play a hand in building your website's authority. That's basically it. If you guys have any other questions, just drop them down in the comments section. I'm also creating a community for local businesses who just have more specific questions about SEO. Just feel free to join it, ask me any questions that you guys have. But that's it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys have tried invested in SEO before, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Happy to connect with all of you guys. That's it for this video.